Hello everyone, in this video I will show how print usable parts with filaments ABS, PLA and TPU. I use for this the Bambu Lab ABS, QIDI PLA and ESAN TPU 95A. I use for make the prints the printer from QIDI I-Fast. This is a printer with two extruders. For every engineering filament, the printer have extruders until 350 degrees Celsius, have the bed until 120 degrees Celsius. The printer have heated chamber until 80 degrees Celsius. That means we can print many engineering filaments. We can print on this printer nylon, carbon fiber and many others. I will show how to print from first time the Bambu Lab ABS, QIDI PLA and ESAN TPU 95A. The parts what I print, first is part from ABS, second the parts from PLA, and third is the part what I print from two different materials, what is not easy to print together also, but is possible. In every print what you see, you can see also the setup for the slicer what I use for make the parts. The two first parts is no problem. This is ABS, only one material. Second, this is PLA, also only one material. The third is little difficult because it's two materials together, and if someone won't print two materials together, must see to the temperatures of print for the two materials. The materials must have the temperature print not that same, but 1 near second. I use that same temperature because it's PLA and TPU. I use for the third part 225 degrees. I think in future I will also print the ABS with TPU together and many others materials, because sometimes we need to make some parts with two different materials, and sometimes it's difficult to make the setup for parts from ABS and TPU or ABS and TPE, because temperature for print the ABS is too high for TPU or TPE. But I will test this and show how it's possible to make this. Today you can see how it's possible to make on this printer PLA with TPU, and it's no problem make parts like this in one time for use PLA and TPU without any problems. Only you must make setup for slicer, some like I make for this part. and is no any problem to make every part like this. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for everyone.